Morning. Is the principal in?
Listen.
I'll let myself in. Morning, sir.
Oh, Nikom. Come in, come in.
Sir, I'd like to speak to you about a student. Ishan Avasti, 3rd D. He's a new student.
Yes, I know. The other teachers have also complained. Sit. I don't think he'll make it to the end of the year.
No, sir. He's a very bright boy. He just has a problem reading and writing. You must be aware about dyslexia.
Huh? Oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
You have made life easy for me, Nikum. I was wondering what I would tell his father. He was referred by the trustees, you see. Good. Then a special school would be perfect for him, right?
No, sir. He's a child with above average intelligence. He has every right to be in a regular school. All he needs is a little help from us. And besides, all over the world, all kinds of kids, no matter what their problems are, study together in a regular school. In fact, even my kids from Tulips have every right to study in any regular school. Excuse me, sir, but I'm only stating what the law of our country says. The Education for All scheme gives every child this right. Unfortunately, very few schools actually comply with this law.
Nikom, tell me something. How will this child cope out here? There's maths, history, geography, science, languages.
Sir, he'll manage, sir. A little help from us teachers, he'll be fine.
Where do teachers have the time? Tell me. How can they give individual attention in a class of 40? Come on, Nikom. It's impossible.
Sir, it's really not such a big deal, sir. Just 2 or 3 extra hours a week. I'll do it. And besides, he just has to get by in all these subjects. His true calling lies elsewhere, sir.
I see. So apart from the subject you're teaching, all subjects we teach are pointless.
No, sir. That's not what I mean, but every child has his own talent. And as Oscar Wilde says, who wants a cynic who knows the price of everything and the value of nothing? Sir, please, sir. Just take a look at the boys' paintings. Here. Take a look, sir. Look, this depiction of a battle. A soldier digs a trench, and even as he digs, we turn over leaf, and he escapes. What a concept, sir. Look at these confident brushstrokes. Such bold use of color. Uninhibited. And look at this, sir. A unique flip book. The story of his separation from his family. Such creativity from a child who's barely 8 years old. Sir, very few of us can think out of the box. Sir, please, sir. One chance. That's all he needs. Otherwise, he'll lose all hope.
So what do you expect from me?
Sir, for the time being, his spellings, his handwriting should be overlooked. Let him be tested orally. Knowledge is knowledge, sir. Doesn't matter oral or written. In the meantime, I'll work on his reading and writing. Gradually, I'm sure he'll improve.
I don't know. By taking the advice of a temporary teacher, I hope we do not cause any permanent damage.
big enough to sail our boats.
एक कुएं में रहता था
कुएं में रहता
मेंढक का साझा
मेंढक का साझा परिवार
दादी मेंढक
in the moonlight. Mighty nice.
Mighty nice. Very good. Now add 3. Super. Now add 5 to that. Where have we reached?
+7.
Great. Now deduct 11 from that.
Said Henny Penny. They set off to a nose between each pair of eyes. Noses, noses, every size. कोयल है चिड़ियों की रानी, कभी सुनी है उसकी वाणी?
Simbad was dazzled by multicolored lights.
Were made of cake